a load of mice were in here, right? And now I had about 5 of them, and I put them in this cage and they escaped. You know, there's one here, there's a little tiny one. And they'll get to the top and they'll squeeze their way out. I don't know about this little one, he's not, I don't think he's quite clever enough. He's not strong enough, but the other one, he should be able. There's about 5 in here and they climbed up the top and squeezed out of that hole. I'll wait and see if this one will come up and do the same. They will escape, they're clever little buggers, but that little one over there, he's not strong enough to climb up the cage, but this one is. There's plenty of food in there. They're sweet. Little field mouse they are. Mice. I could stop them escaping just by putting some tape over the top, but I want them to escape. And see how clever they are. This little one, he's just not strong enough to climb up the cage. Yeah, he's on his way up. Yeah. Come on then, out you come. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on then, you can do it. Come on, let's see you escape. Come on. Well, the little one's getting up there now. Come on then. Come on, you can do it. Come on, out you come. They can escape. Oh, isn't he a pretty little thing? Come on, mouse, out you come. I'll have them all caught again tomorrow anyway. They'll all be here in the feed box. They jump down there, of course they can't get out. Can't jump that high. Ha ha! He's climbing away. Look at him, see? He's not going to give up. He's going to keep trying, even the little one. Come on, you get up there and escape. Come on. These two just can't manage. They haven't got the strength to climb up and get out. I'll set them free in a minute, maybe. Come on then, out you come. No, can't make it at the top. When he's got the common sense to escape. No. Come on, mate, out you come. Well, one has escaped. I just see him a moment ago. I just got the little one in there now. That's the little one now. The other one's here on the table. I'll just see him. So we'll let this little one out now. Catch them all again tomorrow. There you are. Come on in. Come on. Come on in. Come on. Come on. There he is. There you are. So I've let him go now. There we go. And we'll catch you again tomorrow. Alright?